like potato, and I like potato.
Potato, potato.
Tomato, tomato, oh, let's call the whole thing off.
I'm gonna make a potato salad today with no mayo because some people just don't like potato salad with mayo and it's healthier for you. What am I putting in it? Come see. Okay, you have a potato medley, meaning there's baby potatoes in there with different colors, which are kind of fun. The purple, the red, the white. A little shallot, a little Italian parsley, some dill, some chives. I have a little vinaigrette that I'm making with a white wine vinegar and hence your potato salad. So let's go boil these babies. So I've got my water boiling and I'm adding salt to it. Salty like the sea. Put in the potatoes and I'm gonna let those boil for about 10 minutes. So while the potatoes are boiling, I'm gonna mix up a little white wine herb vinaigrette. So here's my white wine. You know me and my shallots. I'm gonna add the salt, a little bit of pepper, Dijon mustard to make it creamier. And for the herbs, I have Italian parsley, a little bit of dill, and some chives. And then I'm gonna stream in my olive oil. Now you can also put this in a mason jar and just give it a shake, but I just wanted to show you everything in this nice little bowl. These are tender and ready, and I'm gonna drain them and let them cool a little bit before I cut them up. So I'm gonna drizzle on some of that dressing. Stir. So the good thing is I didn't use up all my vinaigrette, so I can use that for a salad and it'll last for about 3 to 5 days, so nothing's wasted. I love all the colors and there's no mayonnaise in there, so I think I need to eat some of this. But before I do that, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and press that subscribe button. And if you want to know more information about this recipe or any other recipe, go to anappetizinglife.com. Time for purple potato. You say potato, fun potatoes, little baby potatoes that are rolling.
Can you please do that?